I love this box by Bent Go. It really helps me prepare my meals ahead of time. They are advertising it as just like a salad box, but I use it for everything. First of all, I think it's really neat that it comes with the fork. I even like meal prep if I'm not going to be eating my lunch out. I'll just eat it here. And I usually don't use this fork unless like I am out somewhere. But it is airtight. You've got these little latches on the side. You just pop this up. You have the different compartments so you can separate everything. You even have your airtight lid that you can put, it's your salad dressing. So today I have a taco salad. So I've put the meat at the bottom because this is microwavable safe. So I would actually put this in the microwave and then I would dump everything on top of it and then just open up and add my salsa on top. So you can put anything. If you were going to be making a bigger salad, then you can put, your spinach and your lettuce down here, all your toppings up here. Honestly, you can use this for everything. It's neat. It's handy. You can pop it into the dishwasher as well. So very easy to clean and easy to take on the go.